What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Full Throttle Motorworx. As you saw the thumbnail, we're going to pick up my sled today. So the last time we saw a sled was last time I saw it, about 3 months ago now. We took it to the dealership, and yeah, they had to rebuild the engine. And it's been done now about a month, but I've had time to go get it. So me and Park right now, he's nice enough, come up here, going 4 hours north, pick this thing up. We got the Denali out here. Currently we're at Dunkin'. We can't fit through the drive-thru, so they told us to bring it out to us. But yeah, so we're gonna go get it right now, and let's get into it. So we're gonna head back on the road right now, up to Utica, pick up the snowmobile, head right back home, and then later today, we're gonna take the other Denali, Connor's Denali, down to Rehoboth. He has a beach house down there, and tomorrow we're gonna go a little boogity racing at the Dover Monster Mile. So weekend full of activities now. He has issues. He just, third time he's threw something away, but we're gonna get back to it. So what's up, guys? Me and Parker arrived at the dealer here. The sled was on the showroom. Someone should have bought the thing, but. So we're going to load this thing right now, and it fouled the plug already, so solid start to the morning.
Dude, I'm telling you, these things are wrong. Try to pull that fucking thing off. I've never had it.
You gotta wiggle a little bit. But we're gonna change the plugs now and see if that fixes it, and then load her up. How are we doing, Park? This thing is a lemon. Guaranteed lemon. So Parker's taking the plugs out right now. Here's the one that was brand new.
That's a PTO cylinder.
That's a PTO, everybody. And that one too.
That one's not bad. That was definitely the one that was fouled. That's not bad.
So what's up, guys? As you saw, we loaded the sled up and we're gonna head out right now. So like I said in my previous video, I was thinking about selling the sled and buying a Matrix. I ended up not going that route. Just this crazy year and all the supply chain issues, I didn't think my sled, the new sled coming in, would be ready in time for like December, January. I just really trust Polaris, so we're gonna keep this one for this year. It's got a brand new motor dropped in it, so it should be ready to go. Sled looks beautiful still. As you know, they switched to the Matrix chassis, and I still like the Axis better, so we're gonna keep this one. We're loaded up on his Denali right now. We're gonna head back to PA, and then down to Dover later tonight, do a little racing tomorrow. Change of plans on the vlog. I don't know how to use this diesel pump. You see this one doesn't have the pay thing, so I thought you pay with that one and then you would get diesel over here, but it doesn't fucking work like that, so I don't know what to do. I ain't no big rigger, so if you got a big rig, comment down below that I'm an idiot. We're gonna wait and see if Parker knows when he comes out, because I have no goddamn idea what's going on. Yeah, so this is for big rigs. But he said flip that, put it on the ground, and don't touch it. Now you gotta go over here, and this one should work. Alright, so this is how, they call this a remote pump for the other side of your diesel trucks, for your big rigs. Clearly we don't know how to use one of those.
You're washing it. That's gonna be fucking ridiculous. You're washing it.
This is the second time in 2 days that I've done that. So a little update on our way home. We just got back into PA, and Parker realized, dude, go ahead. Yeah, that's the brakes, and you see, really doing a lot. No brakes on the Denali, dude.
Oh, it's all because of this snowmobile.
This snowmobile is the worst. horrible luck with this thing. Caused everything around it to have bad luck. Let's hope we make it home. We're trying to find an auto parts store, but there ain't nothing close to here, so.
It probably just needs fluid.
Wish us luck.
Yeah.
You notice anything leaking?
Well, I hope to God that ain't for me.
Yeah, it came right. Yeah, look at this. This is just down here and it's supposed to be up in that fitting. Right here.
Yeah. Michael, that's snapped, you fucking clown.
Oh, is it snapped?
They don't just go out and in there.
By Denali, they said. Hey, Park. Another fuck up on the channel.
Yep, another, dude, we got the 17,000 views on this. Yep, don't worry, I'll just buy shit and fuck it up. That's what I'm good at.
Look at your Denali, dude.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Prime. I should probably stay with it.
Yeah, where's anyone gonna go?
So right now, Parker's gonna put a vice grips on and rig it a little bit just so we can make it home. We hope you're having a great time. If you're watching this video, subscribe down below and like, because this stuff tends to happen to us a lot. Unfortunately, happens to Parker a lot too.
Look, nope, she's still leaking like a fucking safe. Fuck me.
Everywhere.
Step on it. Nope. Nope. Oh my God. Oh, my fucking neck. My God, I got a freaking kink in my neck. Oh, oh my God. No, no. Unfucking believable, dude. I'm getting fucking pissed. Alright, do y'all deliver?
Not today.
Oh, fuck me.
Unfortunately, yep. No, there's only 3 of us here today, so.
So there ain't like, what if I give you like an extra $20 or something to go?
Oh, unfortunately, man, I cannot.
Fuck me.
Yeah.
So, well, let me just ask you this. So, I blew a brake line on a 2018 Duramax.
Okay.
Do you have the plug that I can unscrew it from the bracket and put a plug in there? Because me trying to bend this line is not working out for me.
Yeah, I would think we would definitely have, do you know what size the line is? 4-inch 3/16.
No, I don't.
I would think that you're either gonna, most generally it's either gonna be 1/4 inch or 3/16. I have both those plugs here.
That's, okay.
So yeah, you're probably about a total of maybe like 20-25 minutes with no problems.
Yeah. Alright, well, we'll give her a go.
Sounds good.
Alright, we'll see you then.
Yep, we'll see you then.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
I couldn't read it. I'm over it. Never had this problem with my Mustang.
All cleaned up, ready to go, dude. Hit the road. Directions are in my phone.
On my back and butt, look.
Yeah, you're alright, dude. You're good. Alright, so we're headed to Napa. So we're gonna try to limp it now to Napa. But since she's in manual mode in like second gear, sounds pretty good. And we're sorry to the person behind us. But we're on some back ass roads now. So we just stressfully made it 10 miles to this Napa, and they should have a part to help us fix this and get home. But that was fucking stressful, just using exhaust brake and downshifting. So we got a plug and a wrench from the trusty Napa store here in Montrose, PA. So, like I said, we're at the Napa here. Oh, up in here, we put a plug on that. So that's fixed, no more leaks, but now we got air in the lines, so we gotta bleed them quick, and then we're back on the road. We bled the brakes now. We have some brake. I mean, there's some brakes, so that's better than nothing, and we're gonna hopefully make it home now. On the road we go. Park. What we got going here?
It's like a roller coaster. It's going up and down these hills, you never know the top just let go and hang on.
How much brakes do we have?
None. The very last bit, we got a little bit in the exhaust brake. Worst comes to worst, we'll downshift.
What's up, everybody? As you see now, we made it back home safely. Brakes, pretty much non-existent. Used the exhaust brake, used downshifting, and we made it back. But we're just glad we're here safely. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you in the next upload. See you.
Passed by Joey Logano. Joey fucking Logano.
Pissed about Kevin Harvick.
That's how I'm